What's really good, fam? It is your boy, DavidBrandNew, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? I actually just need to ship off a couple turtleneck stems, guys. And I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to market the Turtleneck FX. If you don't know, it is a folding stem for BMX handlebars, guys. Currently have it mounted onto my electric XP Lite. Dude, it's been so long since I made a video with this bike. We're about to have so much freaking fun. So here's how it works. It has a secondary locking mechanism. All you do is slide that over, you undo this latch right here, and now you can just move your handlebars right out of the way. Super convenient, super secure. Woo. That was nice. I completely forgot to charge the freaking bike. Dude, we were working with one bar. Oh my gosh. Since like the beginning of 2022, I've been working on the Turtleneck FX, guys, and been trying to perfect it. If you guys recall, the first version of this one was horrible. It had a coil stem on the bottom, and you couldn't even like put any BMX stem on there. Now you're able to customize it how you want. Your boy's rocking the purple. I've been testing this stem out all year and it's been working great, guys. It's been so hard for me to keep this a secret. Whew, okay. Uh-oh, we're approaching a hill with little battery. Gonna have to put in some pedal power, guys. Oh man. Don't get hit by the van. Don't get hit by the van. We're breaking laws out here, guys. I learned that one from Dylan Thompson. I'm not gonna lie to you. Shout out to Dylan. Oh, that was sick. You know what? I'm not a professional BMX rider, but I think we gotta take advantage of this one. I know if John Hicks saw this, he would definitely try to hop it. So we're gonna do it. Show you how sturdy the Turtleneck FX is. Here we go. Take it slow up this little bump. Whew. Here we go. Oh, that was clean. Little bunny hop over the sticks. Oh. We are flying down this hill, guys. Oh my God. Let's slow down. I'm not even supposed to be on the freaking sidewalk, Dave. I feel like this bike is like a BMX though. Dude, it's so lightweight and so small. It feels so nice riding this joint. Off-road with street tires, guys. Let's go. I don't know if I told you guys, but your boy doesn't work a 9 to 5 anymore. I've been low-key keeping it under wraps. I didn't want to put it out there just yet. Your boy might have had to go back to working at Ross. But now that finances are good, yeah, your boy has not worked a 9 to 5 in months, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie, life has been great. Stress-free. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's not completely stress-free. It's just a different type of stress, you know? I get to spend more time with my freaking family. I get to dictate how I want to spend my freaking day. And it's all due to you guys believing in my product, the Turtleneck stem. Let's go ahead and ship off these stems real quick. We are at the UPS store. Let's go ahead and lock up this bike real quick. And this bike is so small, I'm actually gonna bring it inside the store. Hello, I just want to drop these off. Mission accomplished. Let's head back home. I think we're done for the day. We're getting a call, probably my wife, like, where the hell are you, Dave? Nope, it's Spam Riss, of course. Back on the off-road trail, murdering it. Also murdering these beautiful tires, guys. Also, we only have one bar. Let's see how much power we have. We have 43 volts, guys. This bike dies at 40. Here, let's show them how we fold it again. Fold the handlebars out like this, pick them up, spin it around, unfold it, put it back up, lock it up. The bike is done. That's the Turtleneck stem FX, guys. We're going up the hill of death right now on a 350 watt e-bike. I'm sorry, electric, 400 watt, whatever that is. This bike is struggling. I have a feeling it's gonna die before we get to the top, guys. Oh my God. Even though this bike has a tiny motor, this is actually one of my favorite bikes. I've been wanting to show it off on camera for so long, but I had to keep the Turtleneck FX a secret, guys. But I'm excited because I'm gonna be dropping way more content with electric XP. Let's put some leg strength in this. Let's not make the bike do all the work. Look at the freaking grandma going faster than us. She's probably pushing out like 800 watts max. Let's see if we can catch her. Oh my God, I'm freaking tired. We're almost there. I think we could do it. Oh, I am so tired from going up that hill. I just had to pedal. You made it look easy. What's the top speed on that thing? What's the top speed? Is it fast or is it kind of slow? Oh, it looks cool.
It's really, and it's foldable.
This is foldable. You want to see something cool? Look at this. Super small, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Super compact. She actually has the long giraffe neck stem too. Yeah, the sidewalk. Too bumpy. You need some suspension on there. Does it have suspension? No, like shocks? Yeah, you need at least like a dual crown front fork at least. It was nice meeting you. What was your name?
Anne.
Anne?
From Belgium.
Nice meeting you, Anne.
And you?
DavidBrandNew.
Brand new.
Brand new. That was a super dope interaction with a beautiful young lady. Your boy DavidBrandNew is out here getting all the chicks with his folding bike. If you want to get chicks like me, go ahead and pick up a Turtleneck FX. You can only get it on DavidBrandNew.com, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. And until the next one, deuces like that. Yay!